Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Lesson 6, more on MS Word. We have already learned about some important features in MS Word in our previous lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss about some more tools that help us to modify the documents. At first we discuss about cover page, blank page and page break in pages group on the insert tab. First one is cover page. Cover page option helps us to design the front page of a document with pre-designed cover pages. Let's learn how to insert a cover page in a document. For that, open Word document and type the text. Then click on the Insert tab and select Cover Page options. We can see that a dialog box with different types of ready-made cover page options. Choose a cover page option from the list. Now the text is converted into a pre-formatted cover page that we select. Second one is blank page. Blank page option helps us to insert a new blank page at the cursor position. Let's learn how to insert a blank page in a document. For that, open Word document and place the cursor where we want to insert a new blank page. Then click on Blank Page option from the Insert tab. Now we can see that a new blank page will be added in our document at current cursor position. Third one is page break option. Page break option helps us to insert a page break below the cursor position. Let's learn how to insert a page break in a document. For that, open a document and place the cursor where we want to add page break. Then click on Page Break option from the Insert tab. Now we can see that a new page will be added in our document with the text at current cursor position. Next topic is watermark, page color and page borders in Word document. These three options are located on the page background group in the Page Layout tab. At first we discuss about watermark in a document. Watermarks are text or picture that appear behind the document text. Then let's learn how to add watermarks in Microsoft Word. For that, open Word document, click on Page Layout tab. Then click on Watermark option from the page background group. We can see a list of watermark options. Select any one of the option from the drop-down list. When we select an option, we can see a dialog box. From this box, select Test Watermark and type the sentences in the text box that we want. Now we can see that the text is shown as the background of a page as a watermark. Second one is page border. Page border option helps us to add or change the border of a page. To insert a page border, follow the given steps. Click on Page Layout tab, then click on Page Border option from the Page Background group. When we select the option, we can see a dialog box. From this dialog box, select Box option from the settings. Then click on OK button. Here we can see that the page border in the current document. Third one is page color. Page color option helps us to apply a color to the entire page. Let's see how to change page color in a Word document. For that, click on Page Layout tab, then click on Page Color option from the Page Background group. When we select this option, we can see a drop-down list with different types of colors. Then select a color that we want. Now we can see that the color is applied to the entire page. Okay children, let's wind up the class. Thank you and take care.